Chapter 6 Digestion. Warm up. Name 2 foods that are rich in protein and 2 foods that are rich in carbohydrates. Proteins. Carbohydrates. Let's start. Why do we need food? All living things need food for their survival. Food gives us energy to do work. Food helps in proper growth and development. It keeps us healthy. It also protects us from diseases. So, food is necessary for our survival. The energy from food builds the muscles strong that are needed to work efficiently. We eat different types of food: wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, edible oils, etc. We eat food in various forms: cooked, ripened, or raw. We get our food from either plants or animals. Our food must contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, roughages, and minerals. These nutrients are very essential for proper growth and development. Different foods. Protein. Protein helps us in body building. It helps in our growth. It also helps in healing process. Pulses, beans, peas, egg, cheese, fish, and meat are all protein-rich food. Protein-rich food. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates provide us energy to do physical work. We get carbohydrates in 2 forms: sugar and starch. The sugarcane contains sugar. Cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, and vegetables like potato contain starch too. Pulses. Fat. Fats provide more heat and energy than carbohydrates. It is stored beneath our skin to keep us warm. Oil, butter, nuts, ghee are foods containing fats. We should take fat only in limited quantity. Too much of oily things make us more fatty. Fat containing food. Roughage. For proper digestion of food, roughage is very important. Roughage are fibers which are not digested with the food, but they help in easy digestion and removal of waste. Foods rich in roughage are raw leafy vegetables, fruits, and cooked food like chapatis, which are made of coarse flour. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals keep us healthy by fighting against diseases. They help in the formation of teeth, bones, and blood. Vegetables, fruits. We get vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, and eggs. Vitamins and minerals are also known as protective food. Protective food. Food that contains all the nutrients in right proportion, that is carbohydrates, protein, roughage, fat, vitamins, and minerals, is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet. Fats, oils, and sweets used in small amounts. Meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs, and nuts, 2-3 servings. Fruit, 2 to 4 servings. Milk, yogurt, and cheese, 2 to 3 servings. Vegetables, 3 to 5 servings. Bread, cereal, rice, and pasta, 6 to 11 servings. Milk is considered as a complete food as it contains all necessary nutrients. The quantity of nutrients in our food is measured in calories. To maintain the nutrients while cooking, we must do the following things. The boiled water of pulses and vegetables contain vitamins, so it should not be thrown away. It should be used in cooking. Wash vegetables properly before cutting, as washing destroys the vitamins and minerals of the cut vegetables. Digestion. The food we eat is digested by the digestive organs of our body. The nutrients in our food are broken into simpler substances and are absorbed by the blood. This process is called digestion. The main digestive organs of our body are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, gallbladder, and anus. Process of digestion. Digestion of food starts in our mouth. The teeth cut the solid food into smaller bites. The saliva gets mixed with these particles and make chyme. The chyme is rolled in the mouth with the help of tongue. Saliva also helps in breaking the nutrients in simple forms. The chyme through food pipe is passed to the stomach. The stomach, with its movement, breaks the nutrients in more simpler form by adding juices and passes this into the intestine. Digestive organs in the human body: mouth, food pipe, stomach, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, anus. The liver and pancreas pass their juices from the intestine, which helps in complete digestion of nutrients. The simpler form of the nutrients is mixed with blood. The nutrients contained in blood is passed to other body parts through the blood vessels. The undigested or nutritionless food is passed out of the body through anus. Kidneys filter the blood and extra water is thrown out in the form of urine. Role of teeth in digestion. We have two sets of teeth during our lifetime: temporary or milk teeth and permanent teeth. Children up to the age of 7 or 8 years have temporary teeth. They are 20 in number. At the age of 7 or 8 years, the permanent teeth grow after falling of temporary teeth. There are a total of 32 permanent teeth in an adult. There are different sizes and shapes of teeth. The four main types of teeth are: 1. Incisors, the four front teeth that are used for biting the food. 2. Canines. These are also called tearing teeth. These are sharp teeth for tearing the food. In carnivores, these teeth are very pointed to tear the flesh. 3. Premolars. These teeth are broad in shape. They are 4 in number. They are used for cracking and crushing food into pieces. 4. Molars. Molars are 6 in number. They are also broad and flat. They grind and chew the food. The last molars are also known as wisdom teeth, teeth in the upper jaw of an adult. Central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar, third molar. Eating too much of sweet like chocolate, toffee, cold drink, ice cream also decay our teeth. For proper digestion, we must take care and improve our eating habits. Here are a few tips for the easy digestion of food. 1. Take small bites of food. Chew it well. 2. Never eat in haste with mouth full. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Drink water. Eat both cooked and raw fruits and vegetables in the form of salad. 4. Try to stick to a regular eating schedule. 5. Go to toilet every day in the morning. 6. Do not overeat. 7. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Rinse your mouth well with water after taking your meal. 8. Avoid eating uncovered eatables or cut fruits and vegetables. 9. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Cooking the food. Cooking makes the food easily digestible. It also makes the food delicious. To cook the food, we boil, fry, bake, or roast it. Besides eating cooked or raw food, we also take preserved food. Food preservation is the method of keeping the food for a longer time. Cooked or uncooked food both can be preserved. To preserve food, we generally freeze it as ice cream or custard, canned it like tinned food, salt it like in pickles, sweeten it like in jam, jelly, and chutney, oil it like pickles, dehydrate it, that is, by keeping fruits and vegetables in sun or condensed milk. Ice cream. Food preservation. Food preservation is the process that involves storing of perishable food materials for a long time so that they do not get spoiled and can be used later. There are different ways of food preservation. Refrigeration. The most common way to preserve food is to keep it at a low temperature. This is because germs cannot grow at a low temperature. This is called refrigeration. We can preserve milk, vegetables, fruits, eggs, and meat by refrigeration for several days. Refrigeration. Drying. This method involves the reduction of water content in food items like fish, potato chips, bananas, papayas, etc. This is to prevent the growth of microorganisms. Food items are dried in dryers directly in the sun, ovens, so as to remove all the moisture. Drying potato chips. Vacuum packing. Vacuum packing is the process in which food items are stored in airtight containers. Nuts are preserved by vacuum packing. Vacuum packing containers. Boiling food. Food like milk can be preserved by boiling. Boiling kills germs present in the milk. Boiling milk. Salting. The process by which moisture is removed by adding salt is called salting. It is also called curing. Meat is generally preserved by this method. Interesting facts. Food is stored in two ways: dry storage, wheat, pulses, and sugar; cold storage, fruits and vegetables; canning or bottling. Some food items go bad when they come in contact with moisture in the air. Flour, biscuits, sugar, etc. remain fresh when they are kept in a dry can, tin, or jar with a tight lid. Pickling. Pickling involves the preservation of foodstuffs like mango, lemon, chili in edible oils with salt and spices. Fermenting food. The process of fermentation preserves food and also makes it more nutritious and digestible. For example, curd is fermented milk. Curd is good for you and can help you feel better if you have diarrhea. Idlis are made from fermented batter of rice and urad dal. Fermented food helps you fight bad germs. Also, such foods are oil-free. Tinned food. Freezed fruits and vegetables. Pickle. Vocabulary. Nutrients. A substance that is needed to keep a living thing alive and to help it grow. Starch. A white substance that is found in foods such as potatoes, rice, and bread. Decay. The process or state of being slowly destroyed. Microorganisms. A very small living thing that you can only see with a special piece of equipment. Recap. Food gives us energy to do work. Nutrients are very essential for proper growth and development. Fats provide heat and energy. It remains stored in our body. Roughage are fibers which help in easy digestion. It is very important to preserve food. It is done by refrigeration, drying, vacuum, packing, boiling, salting, canning, bottling, pickling, and pasteurization.